Affiliate marketing is slowly dying and there's no way you are going to stop it. The outdated model from signing up to affiliate marketplace, getting your affiliate link for the product you are going to be promoting, and then just driving traffic to it either paid or free to turn it into affiliate commissions is slowly dying and it's not working anymore. And with the invention of AI tools like ChatGPT, AI voiceovers, content creation, video generation, you are going to slowly fail and not make any money if you are going to stick to this old model. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage these AI tools completely for free and combine them with some old affiliate marketing methods to generate hundreds of dollars per day just by using completely free traffic. Now, don't worry, because you don't have to have any fancy degrees or anything about AI or computers at all. Complete beginners are using this exact same strategy that I'm going to reveal to you, and they are making hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot using exactly the same system. And even I myself was able to generate over $12,000 using this exact same strategy with a couple of add-ons that I'm going to be teaching in my coaching program. So if you want to learn exactly how I'm doing this, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video and check out one of the 5 spots that I have decided to open. Fill out a short questionnaire, see if you qualify for the program, and I'm hoping to see you on the one-on-one interaction call to actually verify that I can help you and welcome you into the program myself. And with all that being said, let's just get started. When I was first starting out with affiliate marketing, all it took to make some money was just hop over to one of the affiliate marketplaces that allow you to sign up for free, like Warrior Plus or Digistore or even clickbank.com. Find an affiliate link for a high converting product and drive traffic to it. But ever since then, the game has changed. If you want to make some money with affiliate marketing in today's day and age, all you gotta do is just introduce this one clever hack that I'm going to show you today, and we can still get couple $100 per week or even per day, depending on how much time you are going to dedicate to this method. So first of all, let's start by grabbing an affiliate link from Clickbank affiliate marketplace, because I already got it open, so I'm not going to be boring you with the usual sign up for a free account and stuff like that, because if you have been watching my channel for quite some time now, you may have an account on Clickbank or even other affiliate marketplaces. But if you are a new viewer, just hop over to Digistore24, WarriorPlus.com or even Clickbank, and you can sign up for your free account very easily just by pressing the register button, and you can get started right away. Once you're going to come to the affiliate marketplace, you can choose from all of these offers that you can promote, and pretty much this method is going to be working for every single one of these. But depending on the niche and time of the year that you are going to be doing this, you want to go for either health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, or self-help section, because these are going to be promoting very well every single time of the year, so you can make at least a couple $100 just for setting this up, and it's not going to cost you a single cent in investment. So pretty much let's go for health and fitness niche, because I feel like that's going to be a huge thing right now, because there's like 150 days till summer is here, so people are going to start about losing all the weight they've gotten over the holidays. And what I'm going to find is a high converting affiliate product that's dedicated to losing weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search by gravity high to low, and at the top there's this Pure Revive, which is pretty much a new product. I haven't heard about this one before. And right at the top you can see this product that's called Pure Revive, which has gravity score of 767, which means it's pretty high converting, because everything about gravity score like 100 or 200 is going to be working very well. If you don't want to be doing that product, you can just go ahead and scout through some of these, pretty much like this Icaria juice is still a viable option for this, and you are going to get paid over $100 on average in affiliate commissions per conversion. But still, I'm going to go with the best selling product at the top, which is going to pay me $133 on average, pretty much about $100 guaranteed. And I'm going to do it for this product as well. So these are supposed to be some weight loss pills that are approved by all the agencies over there in the United States. And pretty much the sales page like this is going to provide all the details to everyone who's going to come here, why it's working and why it's a viable option for a weight loss routine if somebody wants to start that without having to exercise. And obviously, if somebody can lose weight without exercise, that's going to be a huge selling point. So product like this is going to be working very well. So what I'm going to do is pretty much just go ahead and grab my affiliate link by pressing this promote button, and obviously gotta fill in your affiliate Clickbank nickname, just like that. Then just go ahead and click on create hop link button, and you are going to get your affiliate link. Once you're going to do that, you want to just pretty much copy it and save it somewhere where you can access it later, for example, like into a notepad or somewhere, so you can close Clickbank because you are not going to be needing it anymore. Next, you want to head over some marketing platform like GetResponse or Aweber, which I like using more lately. So pretty much if you want to do this method exactly how I'm going to show you, just go ahead and sign up to Aweber, and if it's not the right choice for you, you can choose any other like System.io, Get Response, High Level. Pretty much what you want to do here is just create a new landing site. To do that, you can either customize some of these pre-made templates that are already available, so just go ahead and customize them, or you can create completely blank page from scratch. I have created dozens of videos on how to set up a very simple landing site, so you can just go ahead and check out my playlist up here, where I'm going to pick some of the videos for you, and then you can just follow through. Once you're going to do that, you want to set up a email automation sequence, a pretty much bunch of emails that are going to be sent out every single day to whoever is going to come to your landing site and leave their email address. And pretty much you can get these on most product on ClickBank. If you're going to go to the affiliate page section of the product, you can find a bunch of emails that you can just pretty much copy and paste into a sequence just like this. And all you gotta do then is just drive traffic to it. Once you're going to set all this up, you can just pretty much go ahead and start promoting the link to your landing site using some of the best free technique that I was able to discover so far. And obviously AI is going to play a big role in doing this. Now pretty much I was using ChatGPT prompts from this website right here, but you can also pretty much go ahead and Google these for yourself, because prompts is nothing complicated, just like pre-made message that you can import into ChatGPT, and it's going to generate content for you. And we are going to use it to generate Twitter threads. As you can see right here on this website, I've got this Twitter marketing thread section, and if I'm going to click on it, you can see that writing Twitter threads is going to be a lot simpler if you're going to have something like this already pre-made. Now pretty much I'm going to leave it just like this, so you can go ahead and copy and paste it into your ChatGPT thread and use it for yourself, but I'm going to choose something like this to generate very simple Twitter thread on ChatGPT. All I gotta do is just pretty much go to this prompt bar and paste it down here, and obviously you gotta customize it to fit the niche that you are going to be promoting. So pretty much how can audience, I'm going to replace with people looking to lose weight. Use the name of the product, which in this case is Pure Vibe, to achieve specific task, which in this case is obviously going to be weight loss. I'm going to also include a sentence saying please create a Twitter thread for this, and I'm going to press the magic button, one-click AI button, that's going to generate this thread for us. Now you can see right here in real time ChatGPT is going to generate this entire section for you, so you don't have to go do any typing, any thinking at all, and it's going to generate targeted content that you can then pretty much just copy and paste into your Twitter account, and it's going to be generating relevant traffic that you are going to then collect using your simple landing site. So just pretty much wait for ChatGPT to finish generating this, and once you're going to have this, all you gotta do then is just hop over to Twitter and sign up for your account if you don't have one already. And if you're looking for the blue bird logo, it's not there for quite some time because Elon has bought this platform, but it's still a viable traffic source, and this is one of the easiest ways that you can harvest it for free. What you gotta do then is just pretty much start posting this into Twitter thread. All you gotta do then is just hop over back to ChatGPT and copy the first tweet in this sequence, and you want to paste it into this posting field. What you want to do then is just pretty much look for this plus button that's going to be next to the post button, and you want to click on it and just pretty much start copying and pasting every tweet after that to generate this sequence. Just go ahead and paste it in there just like that. Add another one. That's going to be tweet number 3 just like that. And I'm not going to make this too long, guys, because obviously people are not going to be reading through this entire sequence. So I'm just going to go with 4 just for demonstration. But if you are going to be doing this method, I highly suggest that you're going to stick to like 4 or 5 tweets just as well. So we are not going to make this too long without any purpose. But in this last video, you want to also include the link to your landing site that's going to be capturing all the leads. So just pretty much go ahead and paste it in there, and as you can see, I used my own website to shorten this link to make it a little bit more nicer, just like that. And as you can see, I have used my own website to make this link shorter and look a little more prettier than the alphabet of numbers and letters that you're going to get in your affiliate link, or if you are going to be signing up for your landing page. But don't worry, guys, because if you don't have your own website, you can pretty much do this for free in a couple of seconds on websites like tinyurl.com. What you want to do then is just pretty much click on post all, and it's going to get posted to Twitter. It's going to start getting traction, and obviously you are not going to make thousands of dollars just from this first Twitter thread. All you want to do then is just go ahead and repeat this exact process, or just use the leftover tweets from the generating sequence, and you want to start posting them daily on Twitter, which are going to be capturing all the traffic interested in these keywords. One of the reasons why using ChatGPT to generate these Twitter threads is a good way to go, because it's going to also include these keywords in there that are going to be getting the relevant traffic. So either if you are going to be doing this for the health and fitness niche, e-business and e-marketing niche, spirituality, new age, or even self-help niche, pretty much you want to include the relevant keywords. So all the people looking for these products are going to be seeing your tweets. They are going to be clicking on the link in the last tweet, it and signing up to receive the emails in your marketing campaign that you have already set up. And this system is going to be doing the selling for you on complete autopilot for the next 10, 15, 30 or even 90 days depending on how much emails you have generated. Also guys, this is the email sequence that I'm using from the Done For You affiliate marketing funnel that I'm using myself to generate over $12,000 for the past month alone, and I'm going to be opening 5 spots in my coaching program where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I'm doing this without spending a single cent for traffic using completely Done For You resources. So if you want to apply for one of the 5 free spots that I have decided to open, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video, check out the interaction video that I have prepared for you, fill out the application form, and I'm hoping to see you on the interaction call. In the meantime, if you want to see some more free money making videos, check out this one right here. Just go ahead and click on it and I'm going to see you there.